Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. Not in today's newspaper, no. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 13th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Thursday, November the 9th, 2023. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 0 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, and it's the jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me position the camera. Number 7443. Yeah, 7443. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 19, double as much, but it's also indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if I can manage this. Is this really a 1 star? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So that box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Here also 1 and a 2. Well, I need more information. I cannot fill this yet, so let me mark those 1 and a 2. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Let me check. No triple boxes. Then the following question, quadra boxes then. Do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this is the S shape. If you flip this to the right, to the left side, you will get the Z. This is the S, but it's the same shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The S construction or shape. Only one of them. Okay, then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. It's mirrored. Yeah. But it's the same shape, the L shape. But the L shape is mirrored, yes. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle here. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Any more? Yeah, this one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, upside down this one. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Yeah, 1 or a 2. Here also 1 or a 2. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Yeah. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them, yes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Then. Let me see. Well. These 3 boxes. Surround one can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. Well, it can be a 1 now. So it should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. These 3 boxes throughout the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then. Let me see. Well. We go up. These 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. That box. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. Is also connected with that box. Should be also 1. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, yes. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes, okay. So now, then these two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If you place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay, so one number left in this T-shaped area for number 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2. This box can be 4. Oh, these two boxes can be 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so a 4. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area. One was 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Okay. Here also two numbers left in this area. One was 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Okay. I think. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here. And the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Two numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. So two numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 3, okay. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this area should be here. So the two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Alright. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Two numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes. And there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Two numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So the final two numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well. Those who need to be faster than 50 minutes. It's definitely a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Yes. So have a great and fantastic Monday, and yeah, see you then. Bye-bye for now.